guys, it's Kurlina. Welcome back to another Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make these cute and adorable bee cakesicles. So let's get started. First off, let's make the wings. I'm rolling out some white fondant mixed with Talos powder, then I'm cutting out two heart shapes and I'm cutting the sides to make it straight. Then I'm inserting two pieces of dried spaghetti in both wings. For the antennas, I roll up two balls of black fondant and I inserted a piece of dried spaghetti in those as well. Then I'm rolling out some yellow fondant, just enough to cover the whole cakesicle. Then carefully pick up the fondant and drape it over the cakesicle. Ensure the whole cakesicle is covered in fondant before cutting the excess. If you're liking this video so far and you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Then I'm just moving the whole cakesicle using my fondant smoother. To make the stripes, I rolled up some black fondant super thin and I'm using my multi-cutter to cut out stripes. Then layer the stripes onto the cakesicle and I'm using one strip of black fondant as a guide to space out each stripes. Once you have all your stripes on the cakesicle, you can glue them with some water and then cut the excess with a knife. Finally, you can add your wings and antennas to the cakesicle. I went ahead and added facial details onto the cakesicle and I painted those rose gold. And here's the finished bee cakesicle. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, spread the cake love.